Alright, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get the alternate pistol, probably the easier alternate weapon to get. Alright, so first, this may be a little out of order. We'll go to this level since, and I'll explain why. I'll just go over this briefly since I covered how to get the number here. Basically, in this level, you just have to get the red and blue. And then this opens, and then you defeat two bosses, and then basically you just get the, and then you get the number. That's number 3. Alright, so now I need to do the 3 others. Alright, so, yeah, I'll probably have some commentary on this, but overall, I think I'm just gonna edit to where I find the first one. I don't really remember. I know where the second level one is. Yeah. Alright, so there should be just some weird out jump where the number was. Sent to line, just tell me how to do this one. So, final room. So say you make it, you just wanna fire that, and then you have your first button. No. So yeah, that's first out of, that's the sound one we've gone over. And then we'll go over this one. This one is probably my favorite one to get, going to be honest. I'll just show you why. Basically, I'm pretty sure you just do stuff like normal. I'll like do some random jump cut. Everything, say you're in this room, here's a little shortcut to not really do that much. Basically, you just want to go here, or here. Switch to this one, and then you get down here. Now from here, it's in this area, by the way. You want to shoot that. And next, you want to shoot that. Now I want to go here, and now you're going to see the hardest boss ever. Where's the hardest boss? That wasn't comedic, bro. There's the hardest boss. Alright. Oh! Yeah, basically, this. I guess I'll talk while I do this. Alright, that was quick. Now, you go here. And then you have this. By now, you should have all 1, 2, and 3 done. Next, you just go to Cardellone. And then, in this, you just, I'll show you where to go. And then you go right here. And then you're like, oh no, how do you get this? And then you click on that. And then bam, pow, bada bing, hot chilling, I have been chilling. And then, woo, weapon. Yep, that's it. Yeah, now I have to go edit, so goodbye.